March built car, so you're going to want to read the description on this car to find out more about it.
Yes.
It's got a 331 stroker in it with a 5-speed, what do you call it?
We got it started because it's charging the battery.
It's got a T5 high-speed transmission in it. But as you can see by this photo, this will all be in the description.
Yes.
Please read the description. The car paint looks great. The interior is great. It runs like a scalded dog.
Scolded dog.
For a notchback that's fast. This is the one.
Yeah, it's definitely fast. Built to go fast.
Yeah, it's a really good build.
Alrighty. So we just did a quick little walk around for you, and we're gonna get into it and do a test drive.
It's got a roll cage in it.
Yes, it's got a roll cage.
It's got a racing harness, seat belts in it.
Yep.
So this is fun.
It's ready to race.
For the street.
Yep.
With all the lights and all the legalities work on it too.
Cool. Alright, let's do this.
Good for driving lunch. Here we are, we're in a 1991 notchback with a whole lot of stuff going on.
Whole lot of stuff.
This car is built to the hilt, but I tell you what, she seems to be purring real good. Let's see how she rides down the road. I love the pistol grip
What is
shifter.
this?
That's actually a dome light.
Oh, it's a dome light. That's cool.
Yeah, they only put those in the old Mustang.
Nice.
And they move. So
That's cool, yeah.
on either side, it's 3D.
When you're...
Yeah. Somebody else needs a dome light. Alright, let's go back down a second here. Oh, must have told me it's time to shift, huh? Well, the brakes feel real good. The steering wheel's good in it. The shifting pattern on the 5-speed feels good. It appears that all our gauges are working. I think our RPM gauge here isn't, but we got one here. First gear. And it rides and drives real nice. This is definitely a car you can take on the street or the track. The handles real well. Let's get into 5th gear real quick. Gear feels good. My conclusion is this is a really, really well-built track street car. Come and check it out.
Yeah, come check it out. We're going to get it back to the shop, and I do have some video of the undercarriage as well. So come see it for yourself or give us a call, and we can always do a one-on-one FaceTime or